This is my Ford F250 Super Duty, model year 2014, Lariat trim package, 6.7 liter diesel. I recently had an issue where every single alarm imaginable went off on my dash. Advanced traction control, TPMS sensor, startup failure, none of the gauges work, you name it. I mean, I lost my mind. I've babied this thing. It's only got 36,000 miles or 37,161 miles on it, and it's a 2014. This is my lovely truck. But when that happened, like I said, I lost my mind. Started Googling PCM failures and BCM failures, etc. And I mean, I was looking at potentially, thousands of dollars in repairs. Then I stumbled across a Ford F250 thread that had the same exact problem I had. Now, I'll step back real quick. When I first got this truck, I noticed something weird. Anytime I disengaged the parking brake right here, when the vehicle was started and I disengaged the parking brake, the airbag light would flash. Now, I thought that was a little weird, so I called Ford. Ford corporate said, nah, we don't know what you're talking about. So I recorded the video, put it on YouTube, sent it to Ford. Nah, we don't know what you're talking about. Not a problem. Scheduled a service call with the local Ford dealership. We can't figure out the problem. Okay, it is what it is. And then this happened a couple of days ago. So back to that F250 forum. Somebody else had the same problem, put on YouTube, the exact same issues I was having on my instrument cluster, right? Come to find out, down here, below the parking brake, which you're not going to be able to see, unless I put some light on for you, is a wiring harness. This wiring harness right here, which was previously attached to that little black factory zip tie thing, which is attached to the metal plate that controls the parking brake, is what connects, I think, the computer system from, I guess, under the hood to in here into the cab of the truck. So, alarms going off, truck won't start, traction control failure, advanced track, startup failure, you name it. And they said in the forum to shake that bundle. So I shook that bundle, and sure enough, all the alarms went away. Got back under there, shook it again, all the alarms came back, truck wouldn't start. Tons and tons and tons of alarms. Shook it again, problems went away. Ford wanted about $3,500 to go in and fix whatever it is they thought was going to be broken. I used a 10-cent UV resistant, industrial grade, commercial grade zip tie. 10 cents, 10-cent zip tie. Zip tied it up to, again, it's hard to see, a black case right here. And that 10-cent commercial grade zip tie saved a $69,500 truck. I would say it's built Ford tough. It is definitely built by Ford. You'd think they could get their act together. So, if all your alarms are going off, truck won't start, you got failures out the wazoo on the dash, check out that little cable bundle near the parking brake and give it a little shake, a little kick, a little tug, turn off the truck, turn it back on. Hopefully your problems will be saved, and hopefully Ford will get their act together. Have a good one.